Hello guys, welcome back to the DevOps in channel. Today I am going to share one video recording regarding to how to install Node.js and NPM on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, that is updated version of Ubuntu server. So in this video I am going to share how to install Node.js and NPM on the Ubuntu machine. NPM use the node source PPA and run multiple versions using NVM, and NVM is a node version manager on your server. Node.js is an open source platform, JavaScript runtime environment for developing server side scalable applications, and another side node packages manager, that is NPM, is an essential tool to manage libraries, dependencies, and scripts in Node.js project. So for this, we require prerequisite. In this prerequisite, we have SSL access with sudo privileges, firewall port 3000, and Ubuntu server, that is 24.04 LTS, on which we have to install this. So these are the steps. Let's see one by one how to install and how it will works. So I have already created one instance here with free type. Now, uh, to install the latest version of Node.js, use Node source PPA to install latest repository information for specific Node.js version. So, this command to install the Node.js version with latest version, copy and run this command. Now we have to run the Node.js setup script with this command. Script is running here. Yes, repository configured successfully here. And to install Node.js, we have to follow the command below. Now we have to install Node.js and NPM using the below command. I'm using this command to install Node.js. Installing Node.js here. Whatever packages are associated with the Node.js that has been installed here. Now, we have to check the version for this. On which version Node.js has been installed. V22.07.0 is the latest version for Node.js. Now we have to create simple Node.js application. For this, we required a new directory with a name XYZ, as I have set the name here, example.site. Now I'm creating new directory with this name. Let's move to that directory. Now, we have to initialize a new Node.js project using NPM. So, we have to initialize this. I'm using this command. Yes, we have successfully initialized here. Now we have to install Express here, module using NPM. Yes, 12 packages are looking here. Uh, sorry, here 64 packages are added here and audited 65 in 4 seconds. As we have seen that NPM is install Express module with 64 packages. Now we have to create one Node.js file. Uh, let's create one Node.js file and add this code. S will be not capital here. This is the capital. Let's copy and add this code and save this. Now, we have to allow port 3000 through the firewall to enable the network connection to the application. So now, above Node.js code create a new express module application that listens for the connection on the host port number 3000 and output will shown if I am running this command. So uh, firewall be enabled with this command. So whatever rules have been associated with that has been updated here. Now we have to start the Node.js application. Just run this command to start Node.js application. Yes, application has been started here. Now we have to check with this URL with public IP of instance by putting here. Let's copy and paste this here. Yes, we have successfully started Node.js here, and message will be given from this code as per the uh, as per we have updated in the file. Now the next step is install multiple versions with Node version manager, that is NVM. So NVM is full tool that enable you to install and switch between multiple Node.js versions on your server. So we have to download the latest NVM installation script on your server. So use this command to install latest NVM script. Just give a minute. Script has been here installed here. Now we have to run the script to install NVM in your user environment. So I'm using this bash command. As you can see, uh, our script has been successfully run here and showing the output for this in this in this code script. Now we have to reload your server environment variables with the help of this command. Now we have to check or list out all available Node.js version that you can install on your server. Uh, just check with this command. So, so these are the versions for Node.js here. Now we have to install a specific Node.js version. Uh, for example, Node.js 20. Now we have to check for the Node.js 20. As you can check for NVM 20 version. So here checksum has been passed and matched with the version, and now as you can see the output now using a node 2020.17.0 is the latest version for 20 node 20 version. Creating default alias here, and on which path it has been downloaded, as you can see here. In this way, node nvm install and download here. Now we have to list all install Node.js version and verify the default version on your server. Uh, we have to check default version with the help of this command. Yes, and now default version will be 20.17.0, and as you can see, LTS argon is there, boron is there, carbon is there. In as per the name, the version is updated here, and these two are the default one. Now to install a specific Node.js version, uh, such as 20 using NVM. If I am using specific NVM version, uh, what output will given you? It will show you. Now I have used NVM 20 here. Now in the output it gives an version like v20.70.0 and NPM is v10.8.2. Now we have to view the NPM version in your user environment. Uh, in the user environment, we have to check the version for this with the help of this command. Uh, so the version for this is 10.8.2 here. Now we have to check the specific version as the default Node.js version in your environment. So I'm using this command. So default version will be 20.20 here. These are the steps to install Node.js and NPM.